So how did I create that video with simple digital photos? First of all, instead of going to import video, I went to import pictures. And it took me into my Windows Explorer. I went to pictures. I have different folders for it, but I picked a few pictures here from the number of them I have somewhere. I found my doggy somewhere, I don't know where, and clicked on the picture, said import, and did it a few times and brought it into my Windows Media Movie Maker, sorry, Windows Movie Maker. I brought all of these pictures in here. Then what I did, as before I showed you in the class, I drag each of those photos into the storyboard. If your storyboard is closed, it will look like this. You can do it like that. I prefer to see the time of the storyboard. So 1, 2, 3 I have put. Let's put one more and one more. Let's have one more showing the doggy standing at the window and asking for something good. So that's what happened. So that's the first thing. It was very simple. The next thing, of course, we will want to create some subtitles here. Subtitles have a very good function in teaching because you reinforce your spoken language with written language. It's fantastic when you teach languages, but it's also very good for literacy because sometimes children have difficulties associating letters with words, and when you have both on the screen, it's helping students to relate the two. Now, how did I do that? As you will see as you work with computers, that every time you do something, you have to rediscover how to do it, because every time you do something, you actually forget. So titles and credits. I went to titles and credits. That takes me to a menu. Credits at the end. Where would I like them? I actually wanted them in the in a selected clip. And I've written here, oh well, you have here choices, as you will find out. You can look at the animation. So first of all, let's call it Blue Moon. You saw me standing alone. Okay, I will not write the whole thing now. I have changed the animation, so you can actually click here and have a look how the words will look like, depending what you will want to do. You choose different animations. You have different font here. You can play with it. I am happy with what I have now. I say done. And look what happened. It popped out here. It popped out here simply because my timeline got stuck here and I didn't actually look, but that doesn't matter. What I will do with a timeline, I will go to the time here. I'll push the timeline line to the back. I'll push this thing to the front. And now look at this. There's 1, 2, 5, 6 pictures here, and I want this storyline to be as long as the entire movie. So what I do, I extend it. Okay, let's have a look what will happen. Oh, I can't show you because you will not see a picture here, because on this particular thing it doesn't come out, but trust me that if I played it in this window, which on your video would be actually looking black, which is a bit a pity, the doggy will be shown and the storyline with the text scrolling will be showing. I will save this help file and I will show you then the next step of our work with video files.